Greetings, everybody. We the wounded civilian regime today. We are back. The struggle continues. I just buried my mother. May her soul rest in peace. We will not give up the fight until we know the reason why. Our brother Sunday Igboho is the talk of the town, or chief, honorable, whatever, I don't care. Sunday Igboho is the talk of the town. This Yoruba man, this Yoruba brother is the talk of the town. You see, what he said is very clear. The Fulanis, those cattle rearers, those S-men, cannot respect the people that owns the land. If you think you own Nigeria, you can, terrorize people, kill people, leave the north, your own land, your own state, to another person's state, and be terrorizing them. If you think you can do that, we are going to prove to you, you are the dreaming. You have to leave our land. Very clear. Relocate back to the north. Go back to your land. Go and graze your cattle there. Go and be doing the grazing there. You can't come to our land and take over our land. Go back to the north. It's very clear. And I want our brother and his group, Sunday Igboho, to stay on that. Very simple. Don't threaten anybody. Don't tell them you have soldiers somewhere that will kill anybody. Don't try to force any tribe like what these animals, this animal in Adikano and this hypo-terrorist group are doing. Don't do that. If you try it, they will come for you. Don't do that. People are praying for you now. My those, the Midwestern people. We the Midwestern people, the South Side, we are all praying for you. We are solidly behind you. We are with you. Stay on that. You have the right to defend your land. Since the government can't do that, since the government is protecting their Fulani kinsmen, their Fulani terrorists, it's our right now to defend our land. But don't threaten anybody. Again, don't play propaganda. Propaganda will lead you to nowhere. This is what this terrorist group, this Onyamiri Igbos, Ipobo, bastards, that's what they are doing. That's the reason they are failing. I know now. They are on social media everywhere, commenting, hailing you. Don't listen to these failures. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. They will lead you to your grave. These people, they are good for nothing. Anywhere they will come and be commenting and be shouting, let them stay out of this. This is Yoruba fight. Yoruba can do this alone. They don't need our help. The only thing we can do is to pray and encourage them. Don't follow this Igbo Onyamiri bastard, these Ipo people idea. They know nothing. These people are sick. Stay on that. They can't terrorize your people. They can't leave their territory. Come to your own territory and be deciding for you and lord over you. Terrorizing your farmers. The people, they want to graze so they can get food to eat. The farmers, they are terrorizing in the south. They are farming so that they can have food to eat. You can't be terrorizing our people. We have to defend ourselves. But not with propaganda. Don't lie. Don't lie. And for those of you, if you don't know, these people in government, they are going to play their usual tricks on you the Yorubas. They are going to start with politics. You PDP, you APC. But I know they will fail. But they will not come with religion. Go and mark it. They are going to come with religion and say the people are asking the Fulani terrorists to leave. They are not Muslims. They are Christians. They are going to play their religion game on you people. Don't fall for it. I repeat, don't fall for it. Yorubas, unite together. Don't fall for it. That's the way they will cause tension They'll cause disunity among the Yoruba leaders. So you'll be fighting yourself. Listen, some people say they are calling for Sunday Igboho. They should arrest Sunday Igboho. The Mayeti Allah group, Katoriera group, of the infantry, the girls to come out and say, you have to arrest our brother Sunday Igboho. I said, what? 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 You have no right. Although Sunday Igboho don't have the constitutional right to be asking the Fulanis in their land to leave. But these Fulanis in the north, these northerners have been asking people to leave their territory. Nobody's arresting them. They asked the Igbos in their land to leave 3-4 years ago. They asked them to leave, although it is the reckless talk of that animal in Adikano anyway. Few weeks ago or a few days ago, they asked Bishop Kuka to leave the north. He should apologize or leave the north. Nobody arrests them. What makes you people think you can arrest this man? You don't know this man. I know him. I think 18 years ago. This is not like our brother Gani, Chief Gani. No, this guy don't play politics. He's not part of this nonsense. He made his name during Obasanjo. When Obasanjo was the president, that's when he made his name. They can't arrest this man now. They can't try it. Don't joke with this boy. I am not overrating him. The Fulani cannot arrest him for now. This boy, or this guy, or this brother, is not the kind of, this Southern brother who you can toy with, you can play with, can play game with. It's a serious guy. The only way they can arrest Sunday Igboho is to play this their religion game, politics on Yoruba, cause disunity among them. They are working on it now to cause disunity. Once they are they are not united. Once they disorganize them, that's the only way they can arrest these guys. They can arrest them, but not now. They can't do it now. Yoruba, stick together, stay together. What this guy is fighting for, it's a just cause. Defend your land. We are not slave to anybody. The cattle, these cows, these terrorists are using to terrorize our people. Tell me if the cattle belongs to the federal government. Why the federal government always defending these terrorists? Always defending these people. People are complaining that they are terrorizing them, terrorizing our farmers in the south. Still, they are telling us to give them land for Ruga. Thank God we rejected it. We said no land for these animals. You said you have more land than us. Go back to the north. It is a shame. 21st century, the year 2021, people will still escorting cows on the streets. Cows walking on the street. Go and build ranch. That's what people do now. Rent land or buy land. I will not sell for you people. Go back to the north. You claim you have more land than us. Go and build ranch for your cow. The world has changed. You guys are the one drawing us back. Like I said, my brother, I don't play politics, don't play propaganda, I don't lie. I'm telling our brother, Sunday Igboho, don't play politics, so. Don't lie, don't play propaganda. The way these iPod Nicompoos are doing. Hey there, we have guns, we are going to kill you. Whether they have nothing. Don't do that. I can see them on social media now, commenting, shouting, blah, blah, blah. Don't listen to them. These guys are a bunch of failures. Do it your way. Yoruba unites together. We the Midwestern people, we are with you. Truth is the truth. We stand for the truth. As long as you are not trying to force any other tribe, you are not trying to impose Yoruba on any other tribe, force any other tribe to become Yoruba by force, try to claim on other people's land, Defend yours. And then we are with you. Defend your land. And we are with you, with the wounded civilian. We the Midwesterners. Edo, Urobo, Shekiri, Soko. We are with you, Esa, Afema. We are all with you. Let me pray for you. So they go. Eri Yanuri Mama. Ola Manuel. Enika Oguero. Enika Oguero. Enika Ogbegbe. Enika Ogedo Oguero. Iyare Owa yo. Osari Atiba Weti. Nuya Gbina. Nuya Siyosege everywhere. The Fulani died o mi waibo. Where the Mavena have do. The Bono Nyamire do. Na do mi maibo. Enika o. Sano Buado Yotono you. Not the Atiba Weti. Nuya Siyosege everywhere. Sunday Igboho lórí Yorùbá. Wọ́n máa wé náà ní Fúlàní ní ìdá ní ẹgbùgbà ẹ̀ sọpá ní ẹ̀pẹ̀sìrú àbọ̀ ní ẹ̀dọ̀ ugbà fàrẹ̀ wúwà. Ẹ ó yẹ sọ́gẹ́bẹ̀ gbímọ̀ sọ́gẹ́bẹ̀ gbọ́ ẹ̀ Sunday Igboho wọ́n ní èrò ní ànánú ẹ̀. It's on the news. The Dadimayeti Allah group, those Nikopu, those animals saying that the Fulanis in Yoruba land cannot even trace their lineage or whatever. They don't even know where they come from. So they now belong to you, to this, they now belong here. They are no longer from the north. They are from the south now. You see, they have style. They have brain. They think they have brain because Buhari is in power. They think they are going to be there forever. South, open your eyes. Let's do it with the truth. Not with lies. Thank you and God bless.